Have you ever wished you could make your own ice cream? Well, I know that we have.
Today we are putting the famous Ninja Creami to the test by making 3 different frozen desserts.
The question is, will it deliver? Let's find out. So up first we are doing peach sorbet. So how do we do this?
This one only requires a can of peaches in juice, and that's it. I will let you do the honours and open that. I've got one of the containers. What you need to do is fill them up to the max line. Ooh! We're just gonna try and level a little bit. For the Ninja Creami, needs to be as level as they can. Now, lid goes on, and this will be going in the freezer for 24 hours.
So up next we are going to be doing banana frozen yogurt. So for this we've got lactose-free Greek yogurt. We filled it up halfway and we're going to add some cut up banana pieces and then blend it up with the blender here, the hand blender. Bananas going in.
Let's put a little bit of syrup to make it sweeter.
Okay, let's add a bit of agave. Don't know how much, but right, let's do a quick taste test. Yeah, that's sweet enough. Pop the lid on, and that goes in the freezer again for 24 hours.
Okay, so for the final recipe, we are going to go with light vanilla ice cream from the recipe guide, page 18. 225 milliliters of single cream. We have gone for lactose-free. So that goes in.
Then we need 140 mils of milk. We've got lactose-free milk here.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to use vanilla bean paste.
Stevia granules, 2 tablespoons.
Yep.
1, 2.
Nice. Final ingredient, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar. 1, 2. Okay.
Vanilla ice cream.
Freezer,
Done.
and we'll see you again in 24 hours when we get to actually put it to the test. Okay, so we are back 24 hours later. We have flavour number 1 ready to go in for a spin.
So flavour number 1 is peach sorbet. Let's pop it in and see what happens.
I'm excited.
Pop this out.
Bam, bam.
So pop this in, twist.
So this has been through a spin and respin because it was a little bit powdery. This, to me, looks like perfect consistency with a perfect scoop.
Taste test.
It looks amazing.
Oh, that consistency is like 10 out of 10. That is sorbet, 100%.
Wow. I honestly don't understand how it does it, but it's so creamy.
Yeah.
The only thing I'd say is looking at the pint, I can see a couple of bits of fruit on the side, so maybe next time it would be better to blend it first.
Yeah, possibly, yeah. I think we're going to have to put this away before we eat it all.
This is so good. Literally no sugar.
Yeah, all that was a can of peaches. That easy. Really that easy.
I think this is going to become my new best friend.
Okay, so number 2 now, we've got our frozen yogurt. Let's give it a whirl. Take the lid off, pop it in.
so this has been through a spin and respin, and now
Taste test.
it's ready for taste test.
Looks very smooth.
It is.
Wow, super sweet.
Mm.
But still very good.
But the bananas were super ripe as well.
That's delicious.
Creamy. No pun intended. But it is very creamy.
It is. 10 out of 10 again.
This is brilliant. And healthy. What more can you want? Okay, so the final flavour of the day is the vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla
yes, the
ice
vanilla ice cream. We are going to try it on its own, and then we're going to put the little mix-ins, because we've got some chocolate buttons.
But not just any chocolate, lacto-free chocolate.
Okay, so this one has only been through a spin, and it is looking really good.
Oh, yeah, that's saucy.
It's like soft serve.
Oh, it smells good too.
Oh wow,
Oh my god.
that might just be,
The best ice cream you've ever had? I was thinking that.
honestly, that's the best vanilla ice cream
Oh.
ever.
That's delicious, I'm sorry.
This is perfection.
This machine.
This right here makes this machine worth every single penny. Let's make it even better. Let's add some chocolate chips.
Thoughts?
So the booklet says to make a little hole in the middle, all the way to the bottom.
Let me get this on video.
A little hole with a spoon in the middle. Now, lid is back on.
It looks like it melts pretty quick though, so...
Yeah, so this one would be a really good one to pop it back in the freezer for a couple of hours so it stays a bit nicer. Mix it. You probably should have chopped
Should've.
the chocolate buttons, but hey ho. Yeah, we should have chopped them up. Whoopsie!
Oh well, whatever.
Yeah, so lesson learned, if you have big chunks of chocolate and you want them mixed in, chop it up. But, still gonna try it.
Yeah, screw it. Definitely would have been a lot better if we chopped the chocolate up. However, still,
The
taste-wise,
taste is brilliant.
10 out of 10.
Okay, so final thoughts. Is Ninja Creami worth the money?
Drum roll.
Ta-da!
Yes!
100%.
It's definitely worth buying. Even if
Yeah.
you're not a biggie on DIY recipes, making food at home, this is a must-have for any kitchen.
So quick, so easy, so healthy. You can make whatever flavour you want, even stuff that you can't find in the shops, all at home. You know what goes in, you know you're gonna have a healthy, good product. Super creamy. The only downside is you need to wait for 24 hours, which, as we know, patience for me is not really my forte, but the best vanilla ice cream I have ever had.
Yeah.
And that sorbet, I mean, come on, so smooth, so creamy, with just fruit. That's mental. And if you have a child, why are you not getting the Ninja Creami? But if you're interested in getting one, link is in the comment section down below. It is currently on offer, so don't miss out on it. It is brilliant.
But before you go, if you want to see another recipe for a dessert, click the link here.
Or if you fancy something a bit savoury, click the link here. And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye.